Hey, beautiful people, welcome to the family of AADME. So the purpose of this video that I want to show you one of the most eminent, most powerful platform of AADME, that is the learning management system. This learning management system is an amazing platform that our students use to learn digital marketing for the entire life. This is a tool that most of the students get as a study material, with their live sessions. Trust me, guys, this is one of the best tools you'll ever find on the planet. Let us take me through this tool right now. ये tool actually में कैसे आपको help कर सकता है? Right now, let us understand everything in detail. So as you see in the syllabus, if you click on the if you scroll on the page, you will find there is a form. वो form को आप fill करोगे, then you can download the syllabus. Anything that you see on the syllabus, from leadership 1 to leadership 10, leadership 1, digital fundamental business building leadership, funnel building leadership, organic marketing, and SEO leadership. Leadership 3 is all about social media marketing, video marketing. 4 is about marketing automation, paid ads leadership, agency and freelance mastery leadership, business growth hacking leadership, personal branding leadership, copywriting mastery leadership, webinar marketing leadership, and sales and closing mastery. So these are the leadership 10. Up to leadership 1 to leadership 10, you get everything on this portal. It's an amazing platform, and we are very proud to say that we are actually, the award-winning LMS. We have been endorsed by more than 100 digital marketing agencies for building such a powerful curriculum. So apart from the live sessions, now AADME is meant for its live power-packed sessions. Okay? Apart from the live sessions, anything and everything that you see inside this curriculum, AADME curriculum, which is a lifetime mentorship program with 85 plus modules. All the topics that you see here, all these topics are loaded in form of video tutorials, highly interactive, highly engaging video tutorials. So this is Alok Academy. So you have to come here and you have to just log on with your student ID. And this is something that you get absolutely free of cost with the live session. We are among the top institutions on planet, those who have the guts to build such an amazing, fully fledged, auto upgradable lifetime access LMS. That means anything new comes in the digital marketing space, you get the updated course materials inside the login credentials, inside your logins, inside your account of your LMS. So this is a study material, guys, that our students get absolutely free with the live session. With the live session, we get absolutely free of cost. And you see, these all are leadership 1, leadership 2, leadership 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let me quickly give you a tour of the leadership. Leadership 1, digital fundamental and funnel leadership. You see, introduction to digital marketing, business owner implementation guide, web development, e-commerce development. You can see the number of hours: 198 minutes, 191 minutes, 198 minutes, 603 minutes, 710 minutes. You see the amount of content it has. Graphic designing, video development, web analytics, 269 minutes, 162 minutes, advanced marketing concepts, advanced content marketing, web content development, 444, 191. You see, all are amazing, full-fledged loaded tools. Full-fledged loaded tools. Let me click on any of this. Lead generation, 143 minutes. If I click on this, you see the video loads here. And each and every video, you see the video starts playing. The video will start playing. And you can upload, and you can see, the video starts playing. You see here, landing page building mastery. So you can see this video you can maximize the screen and you can start learning directly from the videos. Highly interactive videos, both in Hindi and English language. So this is how the quality of the videos are. See, all the practical things is being taught here. Let us scroll down. I'm just taking you through the leadership 1, advanced marketing, and all the templates, all the template cheat sheets, all the reports, proposal templates, everything is loaded inside. Buyers persona templates, white paper templates, and whatnot. Introducing to marketing funnel, lead generation, get website design, clients, business audit strategy. So you see thousands of hours of premium content loaded, and it is given absolutely free to our students, those who enroll into the lifetime mentorship program. That is a live class program. Leadership 2. Let's click on leadership 2. Lead generation part 2. How to announce your business to get your first client. Discovery call strategy, project planning, SEO fundamentals and on-page SEO, off-page SEO, link building strategies, advanced SEO, technical SEO, local SEO, Google My Business, voice search algorithms, selling digital services, fundamental of SEO, e-commerce, silo structure, agency samples, black hat, white hat, gray hat, interview questions for SEO, SEO monthly performance report, finding niche for agency services and whatnot. And you can see 1,000 hours, 85 minutes, 1,000 minutes, 34 minutes, 21 minutes, 16 minutes. You can see 1,000. So you see the volume of wisdom loaded, inside this LMS, guys. Volume of wisdom. So this was leadership 2. Let me take you to somewhat now. See the leadership 3, social media marketing, leadership 4, digital advertisement. You can see lead generation part 2, part 3, Facebook paid marketing, messenger bot marketing, Google advertisement. Hell lot of content loaded here. Online display ads, video ads, online reputation management, email marketing, growth hacking, CRO, conversion rate, marketing automation, and whatnot. Let us deep dive. Let us go to, agency mastery. I'm just taking you through. I don't want to make the video too long, but yes, it is a full-fledged, highly powerful, and one of the top learning management system in the marketing education industry, guys. You see mindset hacks and entrepreneurship goals, growth hacking in marketing, affiliate marketing, get clients challenge, agency skills and building block, how to price your services, legality, sample proposals, and whatnot, strategizing agency funnel, client project and strategy calls, digital marketing for coaching business, what should you charge for a strategic or cold calling techniques and whatnot, guys. Loaded, wisdom loaded, guys. Thousands of hours. And you get absolutely everything absolutely free of cost. Then copywriting mastery, introduction to copywriting, convert features into benefits, secret of superpowers, use emotions to get conversions, how to find your right hook, what not, guys. So guys, this is the award-winning LMS. We have been awarded, rewarded, and endorsed by more than 4,000 corporates and some of the prominent education bodies of the planet have actually recognized our LMS as the largest and most productive LMS on planet. You get this LMS with a lifetime auto upgradable access, that anything new comes, you get inside the LMS. No matter if the course is already finished, but this LMS remains for you for rest of the life. All the cheat sheet templates are loaded here. More than 5,000 hours of content is loaded inside the LMS. And you get this for a lifetime access. That too, absolutely free with the lifetime mentorship live class model program. That is the advanced diploma in digital marketing and leadership and digital marketing consulting certified. So guys, welcome to the family of AADME.